Today
Today
we study
we study
some
some
common
common
structures.
structures.
Let's go
Let's go
with
with
present tense.
understand
Simple present.
simple presence.
Whatever
Whatever
we do
we do
regularly,
regularly,
information
information
of that
of that
is called
is called
simple present.
simple present.
For example,
For example,
I wake up
I wake up
at 6 a.m.
at 6 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Then I go to
Then I go to
bring mail.
drink milk.
Then I come back
Then I come back
and do my study
do my study
like this.
like this.
This is called
This is called
simple present.
simple present.
Then comes
Then comes
present continuous.
present continuous.
Then comes
Then comes
then comes present continuous.
present continuous.
Information of
Information of
whatever
whatever
is happening
is happening
right now
right now
or these days.
or these days.
For example,
For example,
Daddy is
Daddy is
learning dance.
learning dance.
We are making
We are making
videos.
videos.
We are also
We are also
visiting
visiting
places
places
like this.
like this.
Now,
Now,
let's talk about
let's talk about
past tense.
past tense.
Past means
Past means
whatever happened,
whatever
whatever happened
happened
before this time.
before this time.
So maybe
Maybe
it happened
it happened
1 minute ago,
1 week ago,
or maybe
maybe
1 year ago.
1 year ago.
For example,
For example,
we went to
we went to
Nainital
Nainital
last year.
last year.
We visited
We visited
many places.
10 places.
It was
It was
good experience.
good experience.
Now,
Now,
let's talk about
let's talk about
models.
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 Models are
Models are
special verbs.
special
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 verbs
verbs
with special meaning.
with special meaning.
Models do not have
Bonus do not have
any time.
any time.
For example,
For example,
can,
can,
would,
could,
may,
may,
might,
might,
will,
will,
would,
would,
shall,
shall,
should.
should.
They have a meaning.
We have a meaning.
They don't have a time.
We have no time.
For example,
For example,
will.
will.
Will means
Will means
promise to.
promise to.
I will
I will
go to Agra
go to Agra
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
It means
It means
I promise to
I promise to
go to Agra.
go to Agra.
मैं आगरा जाने का
आगे जाने का
वादा करती हूँ.
वादा करती हूँ.
इसका मतलब मैं आगरा जाऊंगी.
मैं आगरा जाऊंगी.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye. Take care.